Every day, millions of meals are wasted while countless people continue to struggle with hunger. What if technology could bridge that gap? Introducing FoodBridge, an innovative platform that connects food donors with trusted NGOs, making food donations simple, fast, and impactful. Getting started is simple. After signing in, users are welcomed by a clean and intuitive dashboard that provides quick access to every feature of the platform. Everything you need is available in one place, making food donation easier than ever before. Creating a donation takes only a few moments. Enter the food details, select the quantity, add the expiry date, choose the pickup location, and upload photos if available. With just one click, your donation becomes instantly visible to nearby organizations. NGOs can browse available food donations in real time. Each listing provides complete information, including the food type, quantity, pickup location, and donor details, enabling quick coordination and efficient food distribution. Organizations can easily register on FoodBridge by providing their details and location. Once verified, they become a part of a trusted network dedicated to reducing food waste and serving communities in need. During emergencies, every minute matters. FoodBridge enables NGOs to publish urgent food requests, allowing donors nearby to respond immediately and provide timely assistance when it is needed the most. Your profile keeps track of every donation and every contribution. Monitor your activity, view your impact, and see how every meal shared brings positive change to someone's life. Together, we can reduce food waste, strengthen our communities, and ensure that good food reaches people instead of landfills. FoodBridge, connecting surplus food with those who need it most.